The critical nature of the self. The critical nature of the self is one in which the masses have misunderstood reality. Reality is a consensus in its formations of experiences based on the thoughts of the individual and the thoughts of the collective. The conditions that one encounters upon their life's journey are a direct reflection of the vibration that they continue to emit and the thoughts that they continue to think. The images that create the forms that cause the particles to coalesce. These are all the results of an inner catalyst of each individual, an inner catalyst of the individuals within a collective group who have accepted similar ideas. What groups are you a part of that have accepted similar ideas? Your neighborhoods are an example, where you have accepted a similar idea of financial position. Your jobs are an example, where you have accepted a similar idea as those around you of your potential to create revenue for yourself, of your potential to express your power, its boundlessness or its limitation. The truth is, the unconscious creations of humanity are still perfect. They are still allowing of the soul to expand and to evolve. And this is born of the perfection of the universe. However, at some point, the unconscious becomes conscious. The unknown becomes known. And the greatest unknown is that you are God, is that you are creator. And that the forms yielding the experiences that are created around you are born of you. They are born of your continuous thoughts or your belief systems, your paradigms, your patterns, your consistent dominant patterns of thought, and your energy signature, the emotion that you continue to express. In truth, there is no limitation to what you can create. There is no limitation to what you can cause to be formed. There is no limitation as to the expansiveness of the potentiality that you will, only limited by your imagination. Any form that you can create in your mind and find the feeling place, find emotional harmony or vibrational alignment with that form, with that image, can be brought into physical manifestation. All businesses first started as ideas. All relationships in all forms, shapes, sizes, and colors started as relationships, started as ideas. Vacations start as ideas. The purchase of homes start as ideas. The purchase of cars start as ideas. The shifting of health from one level of well-being to another starts as an idea. The truth is that the transition points that can be identified as the beginnings all start as ideas. But the true beginnings of the health experience, the relationship experience, the financial experience, they all started as ideas. They all started as a result, were born and created as a result of the thought patterns that you have either chosen or were programmed into you. There is no way around your thought patterns and your energy signature. Those to expressions are what bears and creates the fruit of your experience. The nature of your reality, the truth of your being, consists of your inner makeup. It consists of your fears, your wants, your hopes, your dreams, your desires. It consists of your excitements, your joys, your pains. It consists of your trauma, your damage, your successes, your wins, your losses, your failures. It consists of all of these pieces and develops an energy matrix that is continually expressed from the core of your being, creating your experience. Now, your job, that which is your responsibility, is to begin to unravel the matrix, is to begin to unravel and remove those pieces, those limited ideas, those consistent thought patterns that are incongruent with the life that you desire. If you want to experience more love in relationship, you have to remove those ideas, those thought patterns within you that are less than love. If you want to experience more abundance and wealth in your life experience, you have to remove those thought patterns, those paradigms, those belief systems that are akin to lack and scarcity, that separates you from wealth and abundance, that place resistance or inner conflict between you and wealth and abundance. Now, what about relationship? What about career success? What about parenting or parental success? All of these things are the result of your thought patterns, your belief systems, your current paradigms, which are yielding, constantly manifesting your thoughts and your emotions, creating the forms that yield the experience. Anything that you are experiencing that is less than your desire, less than what you desire, is born of thought patterns and energy expressions that are less than what you desire, that reside in energies that are less than what you desire. And this can be quickly configured and understood. If you desire excitement and you feel that excitement in whatever circumstance or situation you identify, and yet you recognize that more often than not in that circumstance or situation, you're feeling frustration, you're feeling stress, you're feeling anger, well, then your energy signature is not matching up with the energy signature of your desired fulfilled, of your desire experienced. It really is that simple. But in order to be consistent in your harmonizing with your desire, in order to be consistent in your thinking, thoughts that are in harmony, that are in vibrational alignment with your desire, you must shift your paradigms. You must shift your belief systems, because they are the cause of your consistency. They are the cause of your constant nature. And if you don't address them directly, if you don't transform them directly, then that which has been programmed into you, that which has been solidified into your being as a dominant idea, continues to be a dominant idea. The mind must be communicated to directly and clearly. The mind must be communicated to in the language of the mind. It has its own associations. It has its own imagery. And you must communicate within the boundaries of that imagery and of that communication. If not, your mind will not clearly understand your desires. It will not clearly understand that which you intend to release and that which you intend to sow. You must communicate in the language of the mind and how it is associating ideas with images. We thank you for your participation. We love you for your curiosity. We celebrate you. We honor you for going forth into this third dimensional reality to create, to explore, and to experience. We stand 100% within the vibrational alignment of that which you desire. Our mission is to support you in the uncovering of your God nature, in the accelerating of the creation of your desired experiences, so that you can be a light unto your world as to the truth of source energy and the experiences that are reflected of the light of that energy. Thank you.